don't want peace. I want problems always.
You dey use your position to please. You dey use your generation to please.
We shall see nothing but new charlatans, misguided elements, sentimental lives, romantic innuendos.
Desire! This evening you will die.